This video shows you how to block third-party cookies in the Chrome browser, helping you improve your online privacy and reduce unwanted tracking while browsing the internet in 2026. First, go to the Chrome app menu. Make sure you are using the latest version for better security and updated settings. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots icon, also known as the More menu. Now tap on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main configuration page where you can control privacy, security, and browsing preferences. Scroll down carefully and find the option labeled Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, look for third-party cookies and tap on it. This section controls how websites track your activity across different sites. When you open it, you will see multiple options related to cookie permissions. Now tap on Block Third-Party Cookies. Once selected, Chrome will automatically restrict most tracking cookies from external websites, giving you a more private and secure browsing experience. That's it. Your settings are now updated and Chrome will better protect your data while you browse the web.